we need to open an editor to upscale our image to the aspect ratio we want, 1129 by 1920. In this case, I'm using Photoshop. We open a blank canvas with these dimensions, paste our image, and we stretch our image to completely fill the canvas. Once done, we save our image. And now we need to go to Facebook. On the left bar menu, we need to search for Meta Business Suite. Here we need to select the Facebook page. We have linked to our Instagram business account, as you can see here. Next step is to click on Create Post. We deselect Facebook from the platforms we want this image to be posted and proceed to click on Add Photo or Video and Upload from Desktop. Select the long image we generated before, and here's the thing. This notification will pop up saying the picture will be auto-cropped because it doesn't meet Instagram's default image aspect ratio. And here's the trick. Don't pay attention to it and just click on Publish. Before you go, let me show you how this long Instagram post looks on the feed and also show you a comparison between this post we just made and the same image uploaded directly from Instagram's mobile app. Check out the difference in height between the two. This is it. Have fun.